hello, thank you for watching, thank you for coming. Yeah, doing a drive, yeah. Yeah. Weather is not good. Yeah, I cannot change on that. Eh? Yeah, a lot of traffic, a lot of people in the car, I know, yeah, because they cannot on the beach, eh? You're going to the store, eh? Yeah. Just come back from the store, yeah. I'm gonna do a small drive, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Hope everybody's doing good. Yeah. I hope so. Yeah, I hope it's not raining and stop raining. Yeah, you cannot exchange on the weather, eh? No way. You can see good, have a good view. Hope everybody is doing good, eh? Yeah. Thank you for coming, thank you for supporting it, thank you very much. Yeah. For appreciation that, eh? Windy, it's windy also, eh? Oh yeah, windy. It's a weather for driving with the car, yeah. Well, it's a weather for driving with the car, yeah. Relax, no worries. It's red. I need to stop. Yeah. It's not warm also, eh? Here goes on there. Yeah, we can go. Oh, it's so nice driving. I like my car, eh? Yeah, so good. Yeah, already 2 years almost, eh? It's so good. So good. Really nice driving. Yeah, really good car. Yeah. It's a nice place. Small place. Leffinge. The name is Leffinge. Small place here. Yeah. Nice for living. Nice to have a house here. It's not big. Yeah, let's stop here. We can go. No, it's a nice place. The church is there. Yeah, big church. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Een beetje met mijn phone, hè. Ik ben over with my phone. Because I do also a bicycle now. I'm a GoPro is on my bicycle. It's not good weather. I think it's gonna rain. I hope it's not. I want to do that with my bicycle also. I think there's nice apartments there. It's beautiful apartments here. Oh, we can go. We can go, so we're going, yeah. That's new, it's all new here. All new. A good investment you have done. Yeah. Oh, good. Quiet area here, very quiet. movie or I like drive movies, I like that, yeah. Yeah, why not? Drive so quietly, yeah. Too good. Really. Because I'm driving with a friend of mine, he drive with a coupe. Coupe 4 from same brand as my car. It's a big difference, eh? Oh yeah, it's a big difference, eh? A lot of noise. Yeah. A lot of noise. But the driving also good, eh? No problem, but it's a lot of noise inside. Yeah. Look how beautiful it is, yeah, I like it here. A little bit nature, yeah, not too much houses here. Not too much. Farmers here, farmers are here. I like the place, yeah. It's a little bit nature. Nature. Very nice green places. Yeah. The mice is growing, yeah. Look at the mice. It's growing and the mice, yeah. For the weather is good for them, eh? A little bit warm and then a little bit cold, raining. It's perfect, eh? You can growing, yeah. Yeah. The farmer's gonna like it, eh? Yeah. You're gonna like that, eh? Yeah, it's too hot, it's not good for everything, eh? This road you don't have a lot of traffic. No. Not a lot of people know the road, I think. Yeah, there's not a lot of traffic here. No. Oh yeah. Better for me. Yeah. Motors are coming. Another church there, another church. We have full churches here, but nobody go. It's empty. All the churches are empty. Nobody want to go anymore. Yeah. Thank you for watching it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, we come on a place where the house is gonna start. We're gonna see houses again. Because Belgium is not big, eh? A lot of people, but it's not big, eh? Where everybody needs his house, eh? Yeah. Church now. Yeah. We are on the church. right. Yeah. It's also a quiet place for living here. Yeah. You don't have a lot of stores here. That's the problem. You need to go to the big city. Yeah. You need to go to the big city. So you need to have a car. Yeah. It's nice in here. So long you can drive with the car, you can stay here. But it's a problem when you come older, I think. When you come older, you're sitting alone. I don't know, Then it's better you're in the big city. Nice with the trees. Oh, I like it. It's nice, beautiful. Nature. In a few months and it's finished again. It's winter time. Oi. And everything is gone. Yeah. So yeah. Nice is growing, yeah. Oh my god. Are you coming around my place? Yeah, you're still. That's my place. It's a little bit bigger, man. It's not so big also, Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you everybody. Give me thumbs up. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed the movie. See you next time. Bye bye.